Platform 1 for the 2019 service to Bognor Regis. Calling at Whitley, Milford, Littlehampton and Bognor Regis. Platform 1 for the 2020 service to Lymington Pier. Calling at Bramley, Mortimer, Reading West, Hook, Winchfield, Brookwood, Ash Vale, Aldershot, Bentley, Alton, Farnham, Upwey, Morton, Wool, Lymington Town and Lymington Pier. We're sorry to announce that the 2020 service to Ascot via Addlestone is being delayed due to a staff shortage. Please listen for further announcements. Platform 1 for the delayed 2020 service to Ascot via Addlestone. Calling at Addlestone, Chertsey, Virginia Water, Egham, Staines, Ashford Middlesex, Feltham, Hounslow, Isleworth, Syon Lane, Brentford, Kew Bridge, Chiswick, Barnes Bridge, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Tilehurst, Pangbourne, Goring and Streatley, Chorley, Didcot Parkway, Appleford, Culham, Radley, Overton, Whitchurch, Andover, Greatley, Frimley, Camberley, Bagshot and Ascot. We're sorry to announce that the 2021 service to King's Sutton via Dorchester West is being delayed due to staff shortages. Please listen for further announcements. Platform 1 for the delayed 2021 service to King's Sutton via Dorchester West. Calling at Dorchester West, Maiden Newton, Yeovil Pen Mill, Bruton, Frome, Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Parkway, Battersea Park, Earlsfield, Twyford, Maidenhead, Taplow, Burnham, Slough, Langley, Iver, West Drayton, Hayes and Harlington, Southall, Hanwell, West Ealing, Ealing Broadway, Earley, Winnersh Triangle, Winnersh, Wokingham, Bracknell, Martin's Heron, Sunningdale, Longcross, Twickenham, Richmond, Winchester, Mitchell Dever, Basingstoke, Woking, Whitton, St Margaret's, North Sheen, Mortlake, Shawford, Fareham, Portchester, Cosham, Hilsea, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, Portsmouth Harbour, Bedhampton, Havant, Wraysbury, Sunnymeads, Datchet, Windsor and Eton Riverside, Rains Park, Motspur Park, Malden Manor, Tolworth, Chessington North, Chessington South, Worcester Park, Stoneleigh, Ewell West, Bookham, Hinchley Wood, Thames Ditton, Hampton Court, Berrylands, New Malden, Norbiton, Kingston, Hampton Wick, Teddington, Fulwell, Hampton, Kempton Park, Sunbury, Shepperton, Upper Halliford, Strawberry Hill, Faygate, Tackley, Hayford and King's Sutton.
Platform 2 for the 2022 service to London Paddington via Pewsey. Calling at Pewsey, Wanborough, Ash, Thiel, Aldermaston, Midgham, Thatcham, Newbury Racecourse, Newbury, Kintbury, Hungerford, Bedwin, Crowthorne, Sandhurst, Blackwater, Farnborough North, North Camp, Shalford, Chilworth, Gomshall, Dorking West, Dorking Deepdean, Betchworth, Reigate, Woolwich Dockyard, Plumstead, Abbey Wood, Belvedere, Erith, Slade Green, Barnhurst, Bexley Heath, Welling, Falcon Wood, Eltham, Kidbrooke, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras, Finsbury Park, Drayton Park, Highbury and Islington, Essex Road, Old Street, Moorgate, Grove Park, Elmstead Woods, Chislehurst, Petts Wood and London Paddington.
This is the train to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Next station, Tottenham Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Next station, Canary Wharf. This is the train to Abbey Wood. Next station, Custom House. This is the train to Abbey Wood. Next station, Dawlish. This is the train to Abbey Wood. Next station, Abbey Wood.
At Canonbury, Dalston Kingsland, Hackney Central, Homerton, Hackney Wick, Stratford, London Road Brighton, Lewes, Upper Holloway, Crouch Hill, Haringey Green Lanes, South Tottenham, Black Horse Road, Walthamstow Queen's Road, Leighton Midland Road, Leytonstone High Road, Wanstead Park, Wood Grange Park, Barking
Station, Barking Riverside.
Upminster, Emerson Park, Romford, Stratford, London Liverpool Street, Norwood Junction, Annerley, Penge West, Sydenham, Forest Hill, Honor Oak Park, Brockley, Whitechapel. Hoxton, Haggerston, Dalston Junction, Highbury and Islington, Wembley Central, Harrow and Wealdstone, Watford Junction, Watford High Street, Bushey, Carpenter's Park, Hatch End, Headstone Lane, Kensal Rise, Brondesbury Park, Brondesbury, West Hampstead, Finchley Road and Frognall, Hampstead Heath, Gospel Oak, Kentish Town West, Camden Road, Caledonian Road and Barnsbury. Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Luton Airport Parkway, West Ruislip, Northolt Park, Sudbury Hill Harrow.
Next station, Bond Street.
Sayre Green, Saunderton, Princes Risborough, Haddenham and Tame Parkway, Islip, Lawrence Hill, Stapleton Road, Patchway, Pilning, Denham Golf Club, Denham, Sudbury and Harrow Road, Great Missenden, Wendover, Stoke Mandeville, Aylesbury.
This train is for Aylesbury Vale Parkway. The next station is Aylesbury Vale Parkway.
Little Kimble, Monks Risborough, Bicester North.
This train is going to Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3 and Terminal 5. Customers for Heathrow Terminal 4 should change here and wait for the train to Terminal 4.
Platform 2 for the 2023 service to Treforest Estate via Seaford. Calling at Southeast, Newhaven Town, Bishopstone, Seaford, Cooksbridge, Wivelsfield, Plumpton, Newhaven Harbour, Bethnal Green, Hackney Downs, Clapton, St James Street, Walthamstow Central, Wood Street, Hyams Park, Chingford, Cambridge Heath, London Fields, Rectory Road, Stoke Newington, Stamford Hill, Seven Sisters, Bruce Grove, White Hart Lane, Silver Street, Edmonton Green, Bush Hill Park, Enfield Town, Southbury, Turkey Street, Theobald's Grove, Cheshunt, Broxbourne, Rye House, St Margaret's, Ware, Hertford East, Waltham Cross, Enfield Lock, Brimsdown, Ponders End, Tottenham Hale,
Lee Bridge.
Stratford. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Maryland, Maryland. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Forest Gate, Forest Gate. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Manor Park, Manor Park. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Ilford, Ilford. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Seven Kings, Seven Kings. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Goodmayes, Goodmayes. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Chadwell Heath, Chadwell Heath. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Romford, Romford. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Gidea Park, Gidea Park. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Harold Wood, Harold Wood. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Brentwood, Brentwood. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Shenfield, where this train terminates. Change for National Rail Services.
To this service for Meridian Water, we will be calling at Lee Bridge, Tottenham Hale, Northumberland Park, and Meridian Water.
West Ham, Limehouse, London Fenchurch Street, West Horndon, Laindon, Basildon, Pitsea, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay, Shoebury Ness, Benfleet, Stanford-le-Hope, East Tilbury, Tilbury Town, Chafford Hundred, Ockendon, Grays, Purfleet, Rainham, Dagenham Dock, Cheltenham Spa, Montpellier, Redland, Clifton Down, Sea Mills, Shirehampton,
Portway Park and Run. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
Avonmouth, St Andrews Road, Severn Beach, Cammon Dursley, Yate, Bedminster, Parson Street, Nailsea and Backwell, Yatton, Whirl, Weston Milton, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater, Hatton, Warwick Parkway, Watford North, Garston, Bricket Wood, Howe Wood, Park Street, St Albans Abbey, Leighton Buzzard, Cheddington, Tring, Berkhamsted, Hemel Hempstead, Apsley, Kings Langley, Wolverton, Northampton, Long Buckby, Rugby, Belmont, Banstead, Epsom Downs.
This train is the southern service to Tattenham Corner, calling at Reedham, Coulsdon Town, Woodminster, Chipstead, Kingswood, Tadworth, and Tattenham Corner. This train is the southern service to Caterham, calling at Henley, Whiteleaf, Whiteleaf South, and Caterham.
2 for the 11:33 service to Margate. Calling at Thanet Parkway, Ramsgate, Broadstairs and Margate.
The next stop is Treforest Estate. Thank you.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. This station is Close West.
Midlands Railway service to Nuneaton. We will be calling at Kenilworth, Coventry, Coventry Arena, Bedworth, Bermuda Park, and Nuneaton.
Welcome aboard. We will be calling at the following principal stations: Trehavard, Porth, Tonapandi, Dinas, Llwynapia, Ystrad Rhondda, Tonpentra, Treorchy and Treherbert.
Platform 2 for the 2024 service to Chelmsford via Stetchford. Calling at Stetchford, Lee Hall, Marston Green, Adderley Park, Cricklewood, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Borehamwood, Radlett, St Albans, Harpenden, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick, West Dulwich, Sydenham Hill, Penge East, Kent House, Bickley, Chelsfield, Knockholt, Dunton Green, St Mary Cray, Ravensbourne, Beckenham Hill, Catford, Crofton Park, Hanborough, Charlbury, Kingham, Morton in Marsh, Honeybourne, Evesham, Pershore,
Worcestershire Parkway,
Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, Malvern Link, Great Malvern, Colwall, Ledbury, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cwmbran, Coombe, Finstock, Ascot under Wychwood, Pontypool and New Inn, Bishop Stortford, Stansted Airport, Stansted Mount Fitchett, Sawbridgeworth, Harlow Mill, Harlow Town, Roydon, Billericay, Wakeford, Ingatstone and Chelmsford. The train now approaching platform 2 is the 2024 service to Chelmsford. This train is the service from Whitby.